Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best curly hair conditioners that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Dove Advanced Hair Series Conditioner. As we know, the Dove brand is a world leader in hair care products, and the Dove Advanced Hair Series Conditioner demonstrates why it is so. This fabulous conditioner uses the African macadamia oil, which has extraordinary properties that repair, nourish, and moisturize damaged curly hair almost immediately. The powerful macadamia oil not only remedies the damage but also offers continuous protection to your hair. Imagine how wonderful it is to restore months of the damage in just a few seconds. This is possible thanks to the technologies, natural ingredients, and oils that Dove uses for the preparation of the Dove Advanced Hair Series Conditioner. All these combine to give your curly hair up to 5 times more silky texture, thus obtaining a healthier appearance. Its light and creamy presentation mean that it is easily absorbed. Hence, it is perfect for you if you do not have much time to spend on applying conditioner for your hair. Moreover, thanks to its non-greasy formula, you can use this product daily without fear. At number 4. Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. We love this product so much. The Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner basically solves your hair breakage problem. Less breakage and more hair growth. This conditioner also keeps your hair hydrated throughout the week. It should definitely be a new essential conditioner for you. This conditioner ingredient consists of Jamaican castor oil and coconut oil, which aids hair growth. The Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner has a kind of fruity, marshmallow scent, which is very pleasant. This product has several possible uses for you. This conditioner always puts your curls on top and leaves your hair soft after every use. I recommend this cream if you need a good styling cream for your curls. At number 3. As I Am Coconut Cowash Cleansing Conditioner. The As I Am Coconut Cowash Cleansing Conditioner has a soft feel and detangles your curls well while trying not to dry out the hair. This conditioner makes your hair non-sticky and non-greasy. Try this conditioner today and you would be pleasantly surprised to see how well it would work. It instantly defines your curls, hydrates your hair, and leave you with a light hair, clean and healthy. For curly hairs with high porosity, which makes it subjected to breakage, the As I Am Coconut Cowash Cleansing Conditioner be used because it greatly reduces hair loss. We would definitely recommend it to a friend and it will be a must in your bathroom. At number 2. DevaCurl 1 Condition Original. The DevaCurl 1 Condition Original makes my hair soft, disentangled, and gives your curls a shiny glow. With a refreshing lemon-lime smell coupled with it being an excellent moisturizer, this conditioner prevents hair breakage and hair loss. The DevaCurl 1 Condition detangles your curls well, hydrates without weighing down your hair, and works great with many different hairstyles. You can also add a little of this product in your wash and go for added shine. It is one of the cheapest products among natural products. This conditioner is sulfate-free and health-friendly. At number 1. Dove Nutritive Solutions Absolute Curls Shampoo and Conditioner. Designed specifically for naturally curly hair, Dove Absolute Curls Shampoo helps to quench dryness and give curls great definition. As one of the best products for curly hair in the Dove hair care range, it deeply moisturizes curls, helping to strengthen hair against breakage and, when used with 3-step system, 4x more defined, natural curls versus non-conditioning shampoo. Dove Absolute Curls Shampoo gently cleanses your curls while nourishing. It's infused with nutrients, proteins and rare Baruti oil, which is naturally rich in omega-9. Its advanced formula helps smooth away frizz and lock in nutrients, so you can enjoy the appearance of soft, defined curls. This Dove shampoo for curly hair leaves you with 4x more defined, natural curls when used as part of the 3-step system versus non-conditioning shampoo. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.